If you work online or want to make money from home, these 3 AI websites are going to be your new best friends. Let's go! Rocket Pushpin Keycap 1 Kaiber AI. Turn photos into videos. Ever seen those photos that magically start moving? Just upload your picture, select a style, and Kaiber AI will turn it into a cinematic video. Use it for TikTok Reels, Instagram Stories, music videos. And yes, people are making money on Fiverr using this tool too. Pushpin Keycap 2 Looka, AI logo maker. Got a business idea? Forget the headache of designing a logo. Looka AI will create a professional quality logo for you in under 1 minute. Just type your brand name, pick your favorite style, and download it. Bonus tip. People sell these logos on Fiverr for $20 to $50 easily. Pushpin Keycap 3 ElevenLabs, AI voice generator. Want your voice to sound like a Hollywood narrator? Or need character voices for your videos? Just paste your script in ElevenLabs, and download a perfect AI-generated voiceover. Where can you use it? YouTube faceless videos, audiobooks, game dialogues, no mic needed. Outro, motivational call to action. Stop just scrolling. Start using these tools. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Which AI tool are you going to try first? I'll see you in the next AI hack video. Learn it, use it, and teach others too. PC Fire, end screen. Subscribe for daily AI tools.